Now today we are going to discuss the trigonometry. Its subtopic is trigonometric ratio of certain right angle. Students, we know about the sign of trigonometric functions. We have already discussed about it. What is it? In the first quadrant, 0 to pi by 2, all the t functions are positive. In the second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, only sine and cosec are positive. In the third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2, only tan cot are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, only cos and sec are positives, rest are negative. Now today we are going to discuss the allied angle or related angle of it. What is the allied angle and related angle? The angle n pi by 2 plus minus theta are called the allied or related angle, and theta plus minus n into 2 pi are called coterminal angles. For general deduction, we have the following rules. The value of trigonometric functions for n pi by 2 plus minus theta is numerically equal. The value of the same functions means function remains same. If n is an even integer, means n is 2, 4, 6, 8, with the algebraic sign of the functions as per the quadrant in which angle lies. Means when we put na n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 2, it is the multiple of 2 comes cancels, it gives pi plus minus theta, 2 pi plus minus theta, or 4 pi or 6 pi, like that. So in that way, na value of the functions means sine comes sine, cos comes cos, tan comes cot, tan comes tan, like that. But in another way, when n is odd, now see the corresponding co-functions of theta, some co-functions is there. If n is odd integer with the algebraic sign of the function for the quadrant in which it lies, sign remains same as per the quadrant, and here n is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. Its co-function is sine comes cos, cos comes sine, tan comes cot, cot comes tan, sec comes cosec, and cosec comes sec are the co-functions of each other. It means at an angle to n plus 1 pi by 2, some convergence takes place as well as its sign according to the quadrant. Sine comes cos, cos comes sine, tan cot, cot tan, and sec cosec, cosec sec, like that. Some negative functions are also there, some with negative angles. It's our t functions, like this one. Sine minus x is equal to minus sine x. Cos minus x gives positive value of cos x. Tan minus x is minus tan x. Cot minus x minus cot x. Sec minus x is positive sec x. Cosec minus x is minus cosec x. How we memorize it? See, at only cos and sec with negative angles gives the positive value, others are with negative angle gives negative values. Now see some quadrant alignments, like in the first quadrant, our first quadrant is 90 minus x, like that. It means the angle is less than 90 degree. That means sine pi by 2, we know in the related angle, definition of related angle, at pi by 2 sine comes cos, cos comes sine, tan comes cot, and cot comes tan, sec comes cosec, cosec comes sec. And this is the first quadrant, that's why all the t functions having the positive sign. Now come in the second quadrant. We discussed here in the trigonometric ratios in second quadrant means what? 90 plus x or 180 minus x. These two are lies between pi by 2 to pi. Okay, now see at pi by 2 plus x means 90 plus x, sine pi by 2 plus x. At pi by 2 we know sine comes cos, cos comes sine, tan comes cot, cot comes tan, sec comes cosec, cosec comes sec. And in the second quadrant we know about it, only the two functions are positive, that is sine and cosec. Means sine and cosec are positive, rest are negative. In this, see the second quadrant, what is it? Pi minus x. At pi minus x, pi means no sine functions remain same. Sine, sine, cos, cos, tan, tan, cot, cot, and its sign comes as the as per the quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive, rest are negative. We follow like that. Similarly, in the third quadrant is what? 180 degree. 180 plus pi means, or we write pi plus x, or in the third quadrant 270 degree minus x, or we write 3 pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now at pi we know about it, the functions remain same and it takes the signs according as per the quadrant. In the at the 3 pi by 2, This is the odd values of n. It comes the is conversion. Sine comes cos, cos comes sine, tan cot, cot tan, sec cosec, cosec sec, and it takes the negative signs or positive signs as per the quadrant sign. Okay. Now in the fourth quadrant we remain same the as per the same concept. What is here? 270 degree plus x lies in fourth quadrant and 360 degree minus x is lies in fourth quadrant. Similarly, 3 pi by 2 at 3 pi by 2, sine cos, cos sine, tan convert cot, cot convert tan, sec cosec and cosec sec. In the fourth quadrant we know about it. Only cos and sec are positive. It takes positive sign, rest are negative. Similarly, sine 2 pi at 2 pi function remains same, and according to the quadrant it takes the signs of it. Now some periodicity and identities are also there at students at 2 and pi means even. 2 means what? Even. At even means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, plus x. The function comes with the x. Okay, and the function remains same. It comes with the x. Its periodicity if means an angle means sine 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 12 pi like that, plus x or minus. Plus x means it lies in the first quadrant. Positive means lies in first quadrant. If it takes negative sign is here means lies in fourth quadrant. Simple. Okay, we follow this thing. Now come on the some questions, some examples related with it. See the some examples from 3.2 NCERT exercise. Find the value of trigonometric functions like sine 765 degree. We know the find the 765 degree is the greater than 360 degree. Then we divide it, we find it the nearest multiple of 360. We know 360 into 2 is 720. 720 plus 45 degree. So we write 765 degree is like 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. Okay students, now see here what thing is there. 2 into 260 means 2 into 360 means what? 2 into 2 pi, that means 4 pi plus 45 degree. We know here 4 pi, sine 4 pi plus x is sine x. So now we put here sine 4 pi plus x is sine x. X is 45 degree, sine 45 degree. We know the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. We apply the same. See the next question. Find the value of trigonometric function cosec minus 1410 degree. Now we know what is the negative values of cosec minus x. We know this identity is minus cosec x. We put here cosec minus 1410 degree is equal to minus cosec 1410. Find the nearest factor of 360. We know the 1440 is the 360 into 4. 360 into 4 we get the value is 1440. That is the nearest 360. Now 1440 minus 30 degree we get the 1410 degree. Now we write 1410 degree as 1440 minus 30. Now see here. The last way is we write here cosec minus 1410 degree is minus cosec 1410 degree. Minus remains same. Cosec 1410 degree is written as 1440 degree minus 30 degree. We get minus cosec 1440 degree is written as 360 into 4 means 4 into 2 pi, that is 8 pi. 8 pi minus theta, 8 pi minus x. 8 pi minus x is lies in fourth quadrant, and we take it's where cosec is negative. So minus cosec x, that is 30 degree. The value of cosec 30 degree is 2. Minus plus, and it gives positive 2. Now see the next question based on the different radian form. The value of trigonometric function is 1019 pi upon 3. Now 1019 pi upon 3 is 10. We divided 6 in and 1 by 3 pi means we'll write like that 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 pi is also the factor of 2 pi. So 2 pi plus theta always lies in the first quadrant. Now 2 pi plus x is 10x, 10 pi by 3. The value of it is root 3. Now comes in the next question. Find the value of trigonometric function sine minus 11 pi by 3. It is known that sine minus 11 pi by 3 is minus sine 11 pi by 3. We know this identity and the minus remains same. 11 pi by 3 is written as 4 pi minus pi by 3, and 4 pi minus pi by 3, this is the multiple of 2 pi. It lies in the fourth quadrant, and 4 pi minus pi by 3 is minus sine, because in fourth quadrant sine is negative. It gives minus sine pi by 3, and minus minus comes plus. Sine, the value of sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. It gives the answer root 3 by 2. Now see the next question based on same. We will solve many more questions related with it. Find the values of trigonometric function cot minus 15 pi by 4. Cot minus 15 pi by 4, we know minus cot 15 pi by 4. Cot minus x is equal to minus cot x. Same, minus remains same. Cot 15 pi by 4 is written as 4 pi minus pi by 4. It lies in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. It takes negative sign. Minus cot pi by 4. The value of cot pi by 4 is 1. That means minus into minus 1. It gives the plus 1. By this way, we solve the many more examples. Try to solve more and more example from different books. Okay, students, thank you. Keep watching.